Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. Today is such an exciting day because we are testing out a new mold from Winnie and Walt. The owner of Winnie and Walt reached out to me via Instagram. I had been seeing her amazing molds all over social media. I will actually have a short form video of me unboxing all of the goodies that she sent me, but in today's video, we're going to be testing out this slab mold. We're also going to be twinning. We're going to be using this fragrance from Nature's Garden, which is twinning with Capri Blue's Volcano Smell. That volcano scent is everything. I used to have it as a laundry detergent. I need to get some more of that actually. They have it so that you can put it on dryer balls. They have it in a cleaning solution. They have it in bougie anthropology candles. It's a bestseller and a big hit for a big reason. My goal with this soap was to match the original branding. I think they hit it out of the park. I think it totally matches the fragrance inspiration. The fragrance is a lovely blend of citrus and olive and oh man, you can't say enough good things about it. So let's test this soap mold. Let's twin with Capri Blue and let's make some soap. Admittedly, this video probably won't be very long because the soap only has 2 colors, but still we're going to make a video because it's fun. Let's blend this up. Gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna split this batch in half. Gotta pour slowly so I don't splash like I did last month. But before we worry about any of the fragrance, let's add in our color. Titanium dioxide here and ultramarine blue here. And I'm gonna scoop some of the soap up and mix it to get all that extra out. Gorgeous. And let's blend them. The colors look beautiful and brilliant, so we can add our fragrance oil now. Gonna pour that right in, blend it on up. Okay, this looks really good. Let's pour it into our new slab mold. This new slab mold is from Winnie and Walt, and it is MACRA certified because it isn't made out of wood. It also has some really handy little notches built into it so that I can see exactly where I need to place embeds. And it has handles on the side, like I can't say enough good about it. Just gonna go ahead and scrape this out. I thought since this soap is so blue, like what better way to christen this blue mold than to put a super blue soap in it. Well, I was going to do a hanger swirl in this, but I'm actually going to do a chopstick swirl because I can't find my hanger swirl. I'm just going to kind of swirl it like this. It'll look a little different on every bar. Kind of whip it around like that. Then anywhere that I feel needs a little bit more swirling on top, I'll just drag it through. Then I want to stick this in the corner because I'm actually going to put a little bit of titanium silver on the top of this. If you ever look at the volcano candles, they all typically have just a little bit of silver on like the packaging or something like that. Maybe on the label, maybe on the listing. Trust me, it's there. Okay, I really like that, but I actually want to add more drips. I just think that'll look really good to have like little drops of silver. All right, let's just drip some little silver drops everywhere, especially in the blue areas where it really shows up. And then the thing is that the soap will absorb the oil, but leave the mica on top, which is super, super pretty. I'm just gonna drip these last little bits here, and then we'll spritz the top with rubbing alcohol. Spritz, spritz, spritz. Ugh, I love watching the mica dance. put our little lid on top so that I can still see through it as it continues to set up. And we will unmold with the new mold, which is so fun, tomorrow. The unmolding process with the Winnie and Walt mold is so easy because both of the sides that don't have handles on them are actually removable. So you can slide it out, no problem at all. The blue silicone liner is really thick, but it's also bendable. So while I'm gonna have to break it in over time, I know it's gonna be one of my more durable liners because it's such high quality and because it's just a little bit thicker and less pliable. The next day, you can see what I was talking about the oil being absorbed, but leaving this gorgeous mica on top. Little bit of ashing, but I believe that has to do with the colorant I used. For whatever reason, ultramarines tend to ash more than other colors. I don't know why. But if we cut it, this is what it looks like on the inside. Very swirly. Every single bar is extremely unique. I love the tops. I feel like if you have the hand soap or the cleaner or a candle from Capri Blue, that these would look so good next to it, like on a bathroom counter. The fragrance is similar, not identical. Has a lot of the citrus notes in there. I would say the main difference is that it smells slightly less complex in a cold process soap. Now, I don't know if that's because when it goes through saponification, maybe some of those top notes or mid notes like dissipate. I'm not real sure because it did smell more like the original Volcano scent out of the bottle than it does in cold process. I don't know, maybe I need to give it a couple days and let it mellow out, but it does smell extremely similar. A volcano candle was the first type of candle that I bought from Anthropologie. I saved up my little monies and I had a gift card and I would burn it in my bathroom area whenever I took baths, and it was absolutely one of my best experiences. Scent-wise, I've had a lot of scent experiences, but that one sticks out a lot, and that's another reason why I decided to make a soap with it. I hope you guys loved today's video. All of the soaps in our twinning collection will be available on
August 2nd, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time.
This is a Friday night. We have switched to Friday night soap releases with great success. Everybody is so happy that we did that. And I will see you guys back here on Friday for the final soap in our twinning collection. So until then, have an absolutely royal day. Be kind to yourself. Do something fun for yourself. Go out, smell a candle, take a trip to Italy. You know, I don't really care what you do. Just do something for you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Meow.